Alright guys, I got a 2004 Toyota 4Runner and I'm going to show you a few things that you can check on this car if your AC does not work. One of them involves this AC switch right here, okay? And I do have a little jumping wire right here. I'm going to show you how to do that. If your car, doesn't matter what kind of car it is, if you have a 2-pin connector, this connector is 2 wires in it, you could jump it, because what this does is it gives a signal that if your system is empty, it's gonna give a signal it's empty. It's probably not gonna give a signal because it's gonna have no pressure, so the AC is not gonna work. So one thing you are gonna check is over here in the fuse box. This is the cover. You'll have a cover just like that. All you do is you push here and you lift this open. Every car has a relay for the AC compressor. Before you replace the AC compressor, right here it says magnet clutch, CLT. That means a magnet clutch. So that's the relay right here, right? Most Toyotas and Hondas, Acuras, the relay do fail. Check your relays. Fuses, obviously you do need to check a fuse. And there's one more thing I'm going to tell you to check inside, and that would even if your heat doesn't work, it's a blender motor inside. It's located right under the glove box, so it's just a motor that opens and closes the airway for the AC or the heat. Okay, so in summer you would put the AC on, so it would lock up the heat side and let the cold air come inside. In winter it will close up to close the air coming, the cold air, and then it will give you a heat from the heater core. The pipes are located right here for the heat. Okay, but anyways, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do just in case you don't know if your pressure or something is not good. You can push on this valve. If you push on this valve inside, you're gonna hear a pressure come up. Be careful it don't hit you in your face. So if you have pressure in it, good. Okay, sometimes it could be your bad switch. Okay, the pressure switch could be bad. Okay, what if the pressure switch is bad? You can have full pressure, your AC system is not gonna engage, it's not gonna work. Okay, so you do need to check that. One way you could do that is replace it, or you could jump the connector itself. So how you're gonna do that is let me set up and I'm gonna show you exactly how you're gonna do that. All right, so my camera is set. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this connector, you're gonna push on this tab, and you're gonna simply remove that connector. All right, and then if you could get something like this, even a cotter pin will do. Make sure the wires are good. This is just a test, guys. You cannot leave this in there. All right, all you do is you connect this in there. Okay, I got somebody knocking the door, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I had a customer, but anyways, back to this jumper here. So what you do is you take this and you jump these two. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna give a direct signal all times, but you cannot leave it here. All right, this is just for a test. If you go put on your AC and your AC clicks and engages, good. Okay, then you figured out the problems right here. But if there's no pressure inside the system, low pressure, air pressure, it's not gonna work anyway. So this will not be a good idea. But if you need to figure this out, but that's how it is. All right, so after that, just take it off, replace the switch if you need to, and put this back in. Okay, because you cannot leave this all the time. Your compressor will be engaging, relay, everything will be engaging all the time, and you do not want that. All right, but we're gonna go inside now. There is a blender motor. You need to figure that one out. If that is not working, or if it's stuck on the heat side, your AC is not gonna work. You're gonna get heat all the time. Okay, but I'll explain you that in more details inside the car. All right, so now we're inside this car. What you're gonna do is well, if I put the truck on, it's gonna be noisy. So what I want you to do is start up the truck, let the temperature on the gauge go midway. Once it's nice and hot, what you need to do is put the blow motor and have it go into your face. Okay, so the mode should be on face, so you feel air coming right through here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the temperature on high. Okay, you should get heat. And if you don't touch anything else, just put the temperature down, and you should get cold air. The temperature should change. If it doesn't change, that will indicate to you that your blender motor is just stuck on heat side. Okay, just try to feel the difference. Okay, it should be giving you a different range of air. Okay, but if it doesn't, then you have a blender motor which is located behind this dash where it opens and closes the door. Okay, but anyways, thank you for watching, guys. If you have AC issues, just check that and be real precautious about AC pressure. Okay, so some do need to have AC pressure. If it doesn't, then you're just gonna have issues that your AC is never gonna kick on. Okay, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.